Computer hard disk. Double shaft mini shredder. Mini shredder is a compact double shaft shredder that is strong enough to handle various materials. The merger plus gear reducer generates high torque to process computer hard disk, paper documents, medical waste, small electronics, general waste, food waste, small barns, scrap wood, plastic waste, etc. Typical applications of mini shredders for sale include offices, commercial departments, food and animal processing plants, hospital, workshop, and food waste disposal in hotels, casinos, and restaurants. This mini industrial shredder is suitable for areas with limited space requirements.